I've been looking for a proper party speaker to take with me to the pool, something that has some real bass to it. So I picked up this Altec Lansing SoundRover 50. Let's get it unboxed and see if it has any bass.
Get your groove on with the Altec Lansing SoundRover 50 wireless Bluetooth speaker. We're review to you. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. What's in the box? Okay, this is what you came here for. Out of the box, and you've got the speaker itself. And it's packed in quite a bit of protective foam to keep it safe on its postal journey. Always a good sign. Moving on, we have the power charge cable and a little carry handle, similar to what you'd find on a small luggage bag. There's also a set of instructions that will outline the smartphone pairing process. There isn't much to do assembly-wise. Just insert the handle as shown until you hear a click. Then you're good to go. Now that that's done, let's take a look at what we have here. Starting from the bottom, you'll notice a tiny set of inbuilt wheels, a feature that makes this SoundRover 50 super easy to move around. Looking at the input panel, we have a selection of 3 USB ports, an aux connector with waterproof cover, and even an SD card slot. There's also adjustments for volume, bass, and treble, as well as an on and off switch. It's worth pointing out that the SoundRover 50 is plug and play with most microphones that use a jack. Although the mic isn't included, karaoke is definitely in the cards if you have one lying around somewhere. As you'd expect, the speakers are located on the front, and they pack a punch. A pair of well-designed ports in the enclosure take full advantage of everything the 5-inch full-range speaker has to give. Surrounding the speaker is a ring of LED party lights that pulse and flash in time to the music, and they're programmable to change to different colors. The pairing process between speaker and smartphone is super easy, as Matt will demonstrate for you now. Altec Lansing states that you can pair a duo of SoundRover 50s. Unfortunately, we couldn't test this out as we only had the one speaker. So, what do we like about the Altec Lansing SoundRover 50 wireless Bluetooth speaker? As you can guess, the sound. We measured a max volume of 90 decibels from 3 feet away. To put that number into perspective, the sound filled our high-ceiling room without losing any of the low-end bass or having the high ends distort and sound dreadful. When the beat kicks in and you kind of feel it in your chest, you know you have a pretty solid speaker. We love the multiple inputs, and the pairing process was a piece of cake. So, what don't we like? So, Altec Lansing makes a pretty bold claim of a 6-hour battery life. But let us speak from experience here. It's closer to the 3-hour mark at max volume. Seeing as the mic jack is right there, it would have been nice to have a very basic mic included to get the full functionality out of the speaker. But enough from me. Let's talk to Matt and find out what he thought.
Welcome to Altec Lansing. Powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing. Powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing.
I think that about says it all.
Powering
It worked
on.
great up until about
Welcome
15
to
minutes
Altec
ago.
Lansing.
But then the bass just hit
Powering
too
on.
hard,
Welcome to Altec
and now it won't even
Lansing.
turn on. Which is a real
Powering
bummer,
on.
because I like the
Welcome
speaker.
to Altec Lansing.
But now I can't recommend it.
Powering on. Welcome
But not to worry to the
Altec
winter,
Lansing.
because we'll get it replaced by then.
Powering on.
But that's still a real
Welcome to
bummer
Altec
that we've had to
Lansing.
deal with this.
Powering
sure
on.
why.
Welcome to Altec Lansing.
Thank you, Matt. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we score the Altec Lansing SoundRover 50 wireless Bluetooth speaker? For $100, we love this speaker. It's lightweight and portable. The sound quality is solid, and it has everything you need: mic jack, bass, and treble adjustment, as well as an SD card slot. It easily pairs up with your smartphone, and it charges fast too. We're giving it a 7 out of 10. So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, we've got a couple options for you. You can follow our purchase link that we've included in the description below and up in the top right and pick one up for only $99.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing and try to win ours for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. Winners will always be announced right here on the channel at the conclusion of every month in our Winners Compilation video. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.